David.
Hi, this is Dennis of Dennis Buys Classic Cars, and once again, we are searching the valleys and the streams and the mountains and the backyards and alleyways for classic cars, and we've done it again. We have found, today we have Charles and this beautiful Cuda, just amazing one-owner car. Tell us about this car, Charles.
Well, this car was my uncle and my dad went down in '70 and special ordered this car. The whole reason that they special ordered this car is my dad had a '68 RSSS Camaro,
Right.
and he would always give my uncle nibs. Hey, my car's always been faster than any of yours.
Right.
My uncle said, okay, well, we'll go out and look at new cars, looking at the Mustangs, Camaros.
Right.
Then he heard about the new E-body coming out, so he finally saw a picture of one and decided he was going to order one. Well, when he ordered it, he goes, well, okay, I'm going to top off my little brother. I'm going to order the Hemming. Well, he put the order form in, kicked it back. He goes, well, how come he kicked it back? Well, because you want air conditioning. My uncle had to have the creature comforts. Air conditioning was a must.
Right.
Kick it back. Okay, well, give me a 446 pack. Kick it back. Can't get air conditioning on a 6-pack. Okay, 444 barrel. Orders it, gets it with the air conditioning. He goes, well, if I'm getting all this, I might as well go down the line. Power steering, power brakes, Euro front bumper. It's got the rim below steering wheel.
Right.
You know what? I go to San Francisco a lot. Let's order it with cruise control.
Cruise control.
Well, we got factory cruise control.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have in front of us a 300 plus horsepower 440 Cuda with cruise control.
Factory cruise control.
Factory cruise control. Amazing.
And it was just one of the creature comforts he had to have, along with the air conditioning, to get back and forth from his trips to San Francisco.
So your uncle bought it brand new.
My uncle special
It went
ordered
to your
it.
father.
My uncle unfortunately passed away in '78, and my grandmother called my dad and says, hey, come get the car. My dad's owned it since '78, and then my dad passed away 3 years ago, and that's when I inherited it. So, and this is what it is. It's kind of sad because I'm the last living person to actually ride in a car with my uncle.
Oh, wow.
You know, I was only 2, 3 at the time, but it was still.
So the history is that your uncle bought it, it went to your dad, and now it went to you, and now the sad day has come.
The sad day has come to where it's time for somebody to enjoy it like it should be.
Right. And tell us, Charles, why did you decide to sell the car to a dealer as opposed to selling it privately?
You know, I looked around and I've tried privately, but you always get this, oh, well, that's too much, or you're asking, oh, well, why is it so cheap? Or, you know, it's like, you know what? We're not going to deal with any of that anymore.
Right.
Let's find somebody that's respectable, knows cars, and go that route. And I found you. I actually heard about your ad on the radio.
That was my next question. How did you find Dennis at Dennis Buys Cars?
Heard your ad on the radio on KRF 101, and I'm like, oh, okay, he says he's fair. Let's give him a call.
Great.
Gave him a call.
That was this morning, right?
That was this morning.
Right, and here we are.
And here we are. And we came to a fair deal. And that's all, you know, hopefully it'll go to somebody that will appreciate it and enjoy it as much as my family has.
I assure you, we will make that happen. Charles, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And now we're off to the bank.
Sounds like a plan.
Okay, thanks.